Hello friends, today I'm thrilled to share a cool DIY RFID door lock system that I built at home. Commercial versions of these locks are usually quite expensive, but with a bit of effort and readily available components, I've created my own at a very low cost. I used the following. Arduino UNO board. We used a new component here, RFID RC522 module. Several RFID tags. Friends, after that we have used a 12 volts electromagnetic lock. We used one more component as well, relay module. 5 volts, piezo buzzer. After that, we used a jumper wire. You should use good quality for all these components. Now let's move on to connecting all the components. Make sure to follow the exact wiring steps I'm demonstrating. Every single connection should be done as I've shown. Don't change or skip anything. If you make even a small mistake or connect something differently, the circuit won't work. So please watch the video till the end without skipping. All the connections have now been successfully completed. You can find all these components both offline and online. Now let's move on to updating the programming software and the tag UID. You'll find all the necessary codes and files linked in the video description. Next, we'll complete the relay module connections exactly as I'm demonstrating, so make sure to follow along carefully. The relay module is now successfully connected. After that, we'll connect the 12 volts lock. The wiring for this is very simple and straightforward. I'm demonstrating each and every connection step by step right in front of you, so watch carefully. The wiring process is very simple if you follow along properly. After completing those steps, we'll also connect a 5 volts piezo buzzer. As you can see, we're now setting up its connections as well. All the components have been successfully connected. If you have any confusion or questions at any point, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. Next, we've taken a LiPo battery and now we'll connect it. As we're connecting the LiPo battery, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. As you can see, the battery's wiring has also been completed successfully. Now it's time to test the system. For testing, we've used an RFID tag, and as you can clearly see, the lock is functioning perfectly without any issues. Everything is working smoothly and just as expected. Now we'll properly prepare the entire setup, aiming for a clean and finished look. To build the outer body, we used a sturdy board and carefully marked measurements with a pencil. You can follow the same process. Once marked, we used a cutter to trim the board precisely. Make sure to cut carefully to avoid injury. As you can see, the board has been neatly shaped. To give it a more professional finish, we also painted the surface. Now using double-sided tape, we'll begin fixing all the components securely onto the board. We've now securely fixed all the components onto the board. Just make sure you place everything carefully. Any loose or misplaced wire can prevent the circuit from running properly. Take your time and ensure each component is firmly attached in its designated spot. We've also pulled out the LiPo battery wires for now found, which will connect later during the final step. So let's quickly complete the fixing process. Handle all the parts with care, especially around the soldered joints, so nothing gets dislodged. Now that everything is properly mounted, our setup is neatly assembled, and the body is fully ready. We've now taken a PVC pipe sheet core, which will neatly attach to the setup using glue. This will add extra support and a cleaner finish to the build. Once that's in place, we'll move on to connecting the LiPo battery. The connection process is very simple and straightforward. All connections have been completed successfully and securely. Now it's time for the final testing. As you can see, the system is working flawlessly. Everything is functioning smoothly without any issues. Our smart lock is working perfectly, 100% functional. Even after installing it inside the door, we tested it thoroughly, and it performed flawlessly. By building this DIY door lock yourself, you can save a significant amount of money, and the best part is, it's completely doable at home. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more genuine tech content. That's all for now. See you in the next one.